In this video, I'll show you how to create and upload a t-shirt in Roblox Mobile. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser. There's no way to do this in the app, so you need to make sure you're on an internet browser. Then you need to head over to roblox.com, make sure you're logged into your account, and then click on the continue in browser button at the bottom. Then click on the create button from this navigation menu. Click on the navigation icon in the top left hand side. Click on creations. Click on avatar items. Select classics, change the filter to classic t-shirts, scroll down to upload asset, then click on upload asset, click on the upload button, select photo library, and then select the t-shirt that you want to upload. If you don't currently have a design, you can always find one on Google Images. Once you've selected your photo, click on done. So as you can see, this is what my t-shirt looks like. If we then scroll down to the name section, you can now give your t-shirt a name, and also you'll need to give your t-shirt a description. Once you've filled out both of these sections, you can then head down to the upload button and click this. And there you go. As you can see, we've now uploaded a t-shirt in Roblox. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.